Hello, right, so we're here to download the new version of HitFilm Express 2022.1, which some of you have been asking us for to create some updated videos for the new version. So just as before, if you go to Google and type in HitFilm Express, you are looking for the FX Home website. So if we go to that, it takes us to product/HitFilm, or you can click HitFilm here at the top. You do have to be signed in now to download HitFilm Express. You'll see a sign in button here if you're not already signed in. And as soon as you've got that, just press download free, which will download the installer. The installer itself for 2022.1 is around 400 megabytes. There's not been any major reports on new features on there. I'm sure there are some new ones. But one of the big changes for when you are downloading is you can't just download the file now before registering. You do need to be registered. There are different pricing points that are available. So there is, if we compare all the features, the free plan, which has always been Creator and Pro. So Creator costs £6.25 a month if you pay annually. And you get the software, you get 4K exports, and you get some additional features that you can incorporate into videos, including premium support. The Pro version, unlimited access to everything without limits. £10 per month, which includes Pro versions of software and some extra software with unlimited exports up to Super or Ultra HD at 8K, with some more effects and songs and templates for you to be able to include. Not sure if they are free to use commercially, like in YouTube videos, but we will look into that further. And premium support again, or enterprise, which I'm guessing doesn't apply to most of you, but that will be the same as Pro, I'd imagine, but related to businesses. So if we look down the features, the main difference is free version, you get less effects. There are watermarked 3D models if you're into creating your 3D models. There's a limited amount of songs and special effects available, and a limited amount of templates, but all the plans include free creative assets. It's a hard word to say, isn't it? Unlimited exports and built-in software tutorials. The prices do include VAT, in case you're wondering. So because it is a UK-based website, they charge you VAT there, so there are no extra hidden fees. And because this is a new version that's out now, these special offers, so 23% off Creator and 20% off Pro, are special introductory prices. Creator normally being $7.50 a month, Pro being $12.50 a month if you do subscribe for the year. It is slightly increased if you are just subscribing month to month. So overall, the download should only take a few minutes. The download file itself is downloading the full installer by the looks of it, rather than triggering an extra download once you have installed. And overall, software, what type of plan do you need? If you're new to video editing, give the free option a try. So the free option is the version that we know most people use. If you want to add a bit of spice, so that'll be the FX, the songs, and stuff like that. You can get the Creator plan, where the visual effects are partially watermarked. I am intrigued by that. What partially watermarked means. Does it mean it's like less prominent? Like half in, half out? Half the video is watermarked? Who knows? But the Pro plan is the one that will give you kind of full unlimited access to everything. So you get two activations of the software, which means you can use it simultaneously on two computers. That's on both the Creator and the Pro plans. Free plan lets you use the software on one computer only. How do you install the software? You watch this fantastic video and download the installer to your computer, which is what we are doing now. And can you switch between the plans? Yes, you can. So the download is nearly complete now. As soon as it's ready, we shall double click on it down here. Now it's ready. And that will start the installer, preparing to install it, and install the 64-bit 22.1 version on your computer. So we'll click next. I accept the terms of the license agreement, which you are going to thoroughly read. You can do typical, custom, or complete. If we have a look at custom, HitFilm, application files, effects and transitions, and Mocha HitFilm, which is the 3D aspect of HitFilm Express. So we'll click next, we'll install it to the default location. We can get rid of this window behind us now and press install. Waiting. We click yes on the user access control. It'll install all the different files, so it's not having to do an additional download. We downloaded the full installer as a chunk, and then just like that, finish button to exit the setup wizard, start HitFilm. If we press finish now, HitFilm Express should magically launch up for us. This is new, looking a bit more sleek on here. And that's it. You've got HitFilm Express installed on here and you are ready to sign into your account. Hope that helps. Let us know what you think of the new version of HitFilm in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We shall see you later.